The lovely thing about Druidry is it's hidden in plain sight. The wonderful thing about the internet is that it's actually only a few keystrokes away. If you just type Druidry into a search engine, our website is druidry.org, and it's huge and it's filled with films and music and stories and ceremonies. When I was young, I trained in Druidry personally with the old chief Druid, his group. But what I was asked to do was to put these ideas and this training into a format that could reach people all over the world. So we have an online training in Druidry now that's available in 6 languages, and I've written a number of books, and we have the Druid Animal Oracle and the Druid Plant Oracle. So actually it's very accessible now, and wherever people are in the world they can learn about Druidry and train in it. This wasn't the case when I was young, but it is now. It's very accessible.